Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a radar chart in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here this table. We have here the school subjects, biology, mathematics, chemistry, geography, art and IT. And we have here three persons, Adam, Matthew and Natalie. All of them have the specific skills about these school subjects. Of course, it is presented in the number of points. So if you want to draw a chart based on this data, we need to select it and then we need to go to Insert tab, and here we need to click on the icon with a radar chart. Then I recommend you to select this one type of the chart. It is the field radar, and after that you will see here this chart. It will be better readable if you will click double time on the gray color and then you will change the fill maybe to green. So now you can easily check the skills of each person on this chart. So how you see, Adam has really great skills in IT, but Natalie is really great in the mathematics and Matthew is really great on the geography. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create a radar chart in WPS Spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.